Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Bolt app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bolt application on your device. And once the application is opened up, if you haven't signed up or logged in already, you will be asked to either use your phone number or your Google or Facebook account. Now, you can either enter your phone number and choose your country code. And once you enter your phone number, you can either use your SMS or WhatsApp in order to verify your account. Then tap on the Continue button and you will receive an SMS or a WhatsApp message which contains your verification code. You can also tap on Sign in with Google or the Sign in with Facebook option to sign into your account with a shortcut if you have linked these accounts with your Bolt account. Once you enter the verification code that has been given to you within the verification box, you will be logged into your account right away. If you choose Google or Facebook, you will simply need to click on the Continue As button after choosing or logging into your respective account, and you will be logged in to your Bolt account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Bolt app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.